Is your Windows acting weird, crashing, freezing, or giving you random errors? Before you pay a technician to format your PC, try this built-in repair tool. It is called the System File Checker. Here is how to use it. First, click Start and type CMD. Important: right-click and select Run as Administrator. This command needs admin rights to work now. Type this magic code, SFC/SCANNOW. If that doesn't work, use the full path shown on the screen. Press Enter. This process will take some time. Windows is basically scanning itself, looking for broken or missing files. If it finds any, it will replace them with healthy ones automatically. Once it hits 100%, read the result. If it says found corrupt files and repaired them, then congratulations. You just saved your PC. Restart your computer, and it should run much smoother. Subscribe for more DIY computer fixes.